So just as a fun fact, I was removing the screws from the heater so I can get the heater off, and I dropped a screw. I couldn't find it, and I swear it had fallen in here in the seats. So I was sticking my finger in there looking for the screw, and out came this. It looks like brand new, and it is the little knob for the emergency flashers that's on the steering column. And it's original, so I bet you what happened was that during the factory they had dropped it and couldn't find it, and I did. So I have a brand new factory looking knob for what goes on the steering column. So it is this. So I still have mine. Took the steering column off, and there it is. That's the original on the car, and then presto changeo, I had the one that found under the seat. Brand spanking new. So I may put that one on there, brand new one, and keep that sucker. I don't know. I'm gonna go online, find out how much a brand new one is, and maybe sell it. Who knows? But I figured that'd be a fun fact.